Hello, today is Wednesday, November the 13th, and I wanted to show you guys something because I got some happy mail again. After this one, I'm getting one more box with a couple more than a few. Or no, with a little bit more than a few, and it'll be my last one. And so I got an email that some new colors were coming out, and I don't have all the colors that were on there, and I've been on the rampage with the streamlines, right? So I figured, ooh, these feel much heavier. Yes, this was a birthday present, so I'm really happy about this. And now that I'm looking at the colors that came in, I should have done this for ooh, they always mess this up. I wanted to show the whole Odyssey thing, but they always put a sticker on these like it matters. I'm gonna have to open it anyway. So I got some other sizes in these. You end up tearing this little piece right here if you don't do it carefully. But I got this blue one with all the little glittery thingies, and that sticker that Sandy with Crochet A was talking about. You know what I do? Get some clear fingernail polish and polish it, or get a little bit of that resin and go over the letter. That's what I'm doing. But I also made these. I showed them last time, and I'm gonna make some for this one as well. See? This is my F charm. There we go again with the same issue. F. So that's Andrew. So I got this color. Okay. This is a size D. Ooh, a size D. And the other one that I got, oh, this is a size H. I did get an H hook on purpose because I'm giving all sorts of H hooks away, but I don't keep one for myself. I don't know how often I'll use this one, but you know what? I've been using the H hook lately. Look! But look how beautiful these two look together. Ebony and ivory. So now I have, oh no, I have a couple of other colors. I do have the yellow one, and I do have the peach one, and the purple one, and the black one, but I got these. And I was watching Yarn It Out the other day, and she showed her beautiful ones with the gold. Red, white, and blue. I should have done this for like a 4th of July thing, huh? I got mine. Okay, the red one is a size. Oh, are you kidding me? 'Kidding 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 awesome. These two are the same size. 4 fudgesicles. Oh well, I still like it. Now I have 2 that I can work with that are the same size. Awesome, because I do use this one. I do like this one. I just finished using it a little while ago. So that was that. Told you it was going to be a short one. Well, sort of short. I think I'll keep it there. Yeah. So I'm going to make more little wine stopper things now for these. You know what these are cool for too? You can use, I wish I was a knitter, but I'm not. Stitch markers for knitters. See? Ooh. I do have something else that I wanted to show you guys. Super cute. Oh, where is it? Give me a second. Sorry about that. Look what I finished making yesterday. Oops. Oops. Some stitch markers. These are real. This is onyx. And these are real little water pearls. And so I make these in this like a black color, right? Ooh. Ooh. Black and gold. Excuse my beautiful nails. Don't want to make anybody jealous. So I made these in black, and I made, look, I use these, so you can use them as earrings or a stitch marker. I don't know why anybody want to walk around with sheep, are these sheep? Lamb earrings. Look at that, aren't they cute? So I made these too. And so I am working on making different stitch markers, different colors, using different little thingamabobbers. I'm making a bunch of these because I want to send out, you know, pick out random ladies. These are not for like I am making a bunch for the giveaways, but I just thought that I'd make, you know, several sets, quite a few sets. I found a book of stamps, and so I figured I'm gonna make, you know, cute different things like stitch markers and stuff like that, and just pick different, you know, ones of use, and just, you know, pick from my little random, you know, little gifts that I make, and just send them as thank yous, you know, maybe with a postcard, maybe with something. It might be that, it might be something else, you know, but those are one of the things that I'm working on. Ooh, one more thing. I'm back. The other thing that I finished, Fina freaking Lee, after a whole bottle of wasted resin, not wasted, but it was practice, right? Kept messing stuff up. Things were coming out crooked, super thin and stuff. But I finished. This is one of my little journal covers that I made. And so, see? And this is the cover. This is where the little holes are at for the journal. And I made it. Look, it's thick. And it's smooth. And this one says, so much can happen in a week. And I added, you know, the checklist little thing on here, and I added these little stickers on there and stuff, and then I did my little thing with the glitter and whatnot, and it worked a lot better than it did all the other ones. And look at these little different tabs that I am including in this. I was trying to figure out, I have the little rings to put right here, right? I don't know. I'm gonna try to figure out how to do it so that they can stay on there, you know, like with a little permanent thing. But in the meantime, they are works in progress. But I finished this one. I'm so happy with this one. So I did that. And then the other one that I finished, La Dolce Vita, Sweet Life. And it says, right here, it has a sticker that says complete today. And I added these little stickers right here. This is the sun, a hummingbird, some flowers, more flowers down here, a pineapple. This sticker was, it says my week. See that? And I did the little glitter thingy. And guess what? When you open this one up, right, because this is the front of it, and you say, there's going to be paper right here. But look, you get to see it on this side too. See? So, I was really, here are the holes for it. And I even bought the hole puncher that's made to punch the holes on here. So that was it. These are my little things that I'm making for my giveaways. They're thick now. See, that's thick. It's nice and smooth. It's not warped. It's not as thin as a sheet of paper. I should show you guys what my other ones look like and how many things I destroyed in the making of these products. But I'm really happy. I'm thinking these are like, I've been playing with them, right? But I'm thinking I'm gonna make some with I'm gonna make some little miniature skeins of yarn and throw them in there, you know, maybe some stitch markers and put one in there. I'm not gonna ruin a beautiful, perfectly usable stitch marker, but I can use some of the little plasticky ones or something. Ooh, what about those cocoa knit ones? Maybe I'll throw a few of those in there. I don't know. But like, I want to make them a lot more yarny related, unless I start making some that are specific. Like, I'll send an email to the winner and say, hey, like, unless you already have a channel, then I can watch your channel. Like I did with Crystal, started watching a bunch of her stuff to try and figure out what I could add besides the yarn that I sent her. But I would like to send, you know, maybe customizable little things like, okay, out of this stuff you can pick it in these colors, and I can have these themes. But I was so happy that I did this, because oh my goodness, I was thinking I may have to go buy some journals and post a video and let everybody know, like, I quit. I cannot make journals, but I like it. These are my first successful ones, and I was really happy with the results. I almost had a finished object, but I ran out of yarn, and so I'll have to show that another day. I wanted to, do an unboxing and stuff, but I also wanted to start showing you guys some of the stuff that I'm working on and some of the stuff that I'm making and creating and stuff, because I said that that's what November was going to be about, even though it's been a crazy... I think he thinks I'm not here. So Andrew thought that he was being left home alone. And I already had a conversation with him that mommy's never going to what?
Leave me again?
No, not again. I was up here. I didn't leave you. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, for liking our videos. Thank you so much for commenting. Andrew loves listening to what you guys have to say about him. I'll tell you guys what, we were working this weekend. He was with us. He was passing out flyers, and he was doing an awesome job. He is the best helper in the world. I would tell you what. Now, we got to work with him a little bit because he was going around just giving these things to all the ladies around, and he wouldn't give them to boys.
I did.
One boy. We had about 1,000 flyers, and he approached one guy. And that was because he got in the middle while Andrew was trying to give him the card for his girlfriend. So.
Wait, what?
Remember? Yeah. So, thank you guys. See you guys later. Next video. Bye-bye.